Now we want to learn about the map editor. From here, we come to Scene and we scroll down to look for right here. It says Set Tile Map. We snap it on and we click it into this spot right here. So we click it into the map, the tile map area. And as you can see, this location right here on the bottom, it says 16 and 16. So that is the width and height of your map. So don't make it more, do not make it larger than 32 by 32. So right now, I will just make it into, you know what, we'll just leave it as 16 by 16 right now so you can see the difference, okay? So from here, and we can start to set the borders. So I can click on, and you can see the forest, aquatic, dungeons, there's some of the stuff, and you can make your own as well, okay? All right, now you can see from the arrow. Okay, so let's just say I want to make the entire map of just a forest. And there are many buttons right here. For example, this one, you can see, I just clicked it, it's a bucket. So if I use a bucket, and that means if I press into the tile map, the gray area, the entire place will become that. So if I press it one time, you can see literally turns the whole thing into it. So that looks nice, but I want some borders. So now you can just choose the borders. Oh, sorry about that. So now, because I'm in the bucket, so now I gotta go back to the pen, and I just gotta drag it, and let's do the bottom, and then do the sides, and then do this side, and then do the four corners. Oop. And now if we go and press done, we can take a look and you can see the map. You see? And actually I can just start walking around, but at the same time it's like, oh, it is just within this frame. So next we can go back to scene and scroll down. It will say follow. Oh, here it is. Camera follows my sprite. Now if we move, you can see it's just going all the way down. So this is, recall, this is 16 by 16. So this is how large the map is. Okay, so let's go back to the tile map. And now I can show you if I change it to 32, that's the largest you want, okay? You see how originally what we have done was that was the size on the upper left corner. So if you want it 32 by 32, it literally is 4 times the size. Okay, and I can just show you by putting some stuff in so you can see the difference. Okay, so now let's move. Oh, now we are in our 32 by 32. Okay. So as you can see, 32 by 32, it is quite large already. We don't want it any bigger because if it gets too big, you cannot, it will be extremely difficult to make, to edit the map. And let's just fix it really quickly. Okay, now I can also decide to put some trees around, and this might be my maze. Okay, and I want to have 4 trees here, and this is my maze to travel around. This is my random maze so far. You can see this is what I've drawn up. Right now, as you can see, I can walk through these trees. Okay, what we want to do next is to turn these trees into something solid so you cannot go through it.